Is Kraken a safe wallet? Intro. Hook, ever wondered if your crypto is as safe as you think it is? Today, we're diving deep into Kraken, a popular cryptocurrency exchange and wallet. Is it truly a fortress for your digital assets? Let's find out. What is Kraken? Brief overview. Kraken is a well-established cryptocurrency exchange known for its security features and wide range of supported assets. It also offers a wallet service for storing your digital coins. Key features. Highlight key features like advanced security measures, low fees, and a user-friendly interface. Security features. Two-factor authentication. 2FA. Explain how 2FA adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a code from a separate device to access your account. Cold storage. Discuss how cold storage wallets, like Kraken's, keep your funds offline, making them less vulnerable to hacking. Security audits. Mention that Kraken regularly undergoes security audits to identify and address potential vulnerabilities. Kraken wallet, pros and cons. Pros. Ease of use. Discuss how the Kraken wallet is intuitive and easy to navigate, even for beginners. Supported assets. Highlight the wide range of cryptocurrencies that can be stored in the Kraken wallet. Integration with the exchange. Explain how the wallet seamlessly integrates with the Kraken exchange, making it convenient to buy, sell, and trade. Cons. Centralized control. Point out that as a centralized exchange, Kraken has control over your funds, which could potentially be a risk in case of a hack or regulatory issues. Limited privacy. Discuss how using a centralized exchange can compromise your privacy as your transactions are recorded on a public blockchain. Comparing Kraken to other wallets. Hardware wallets. Compare Kraken to hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor, emphasizing the higher level of security offered by hardware wallets, but also noting their higher cost and potential complexity for new users. Software wallets. Discuss the differences between Kraken and software wallets like MetaMask and MyEtherWallet, focusing on factors like decentralization, security, and ease of use. Real-world examples and case studies. Security incidents. If there have been any significant security incidents involving Kraken, discuss them and how the exchange responded. User experiences. Share testimonials or reviews from users who have experienced the Kraken wallet firsthand. Is Kraken a safe choice for you? Factors to consider. Discuss factors such as your level of technical expertise, the amount of crypto you hold, and your risk tolerance when deciding whether Kraken is a suitable wallet for you. Alternative options. Suggest alternative wallets or storage methods that might be more suitable for certain users. Conclusion. Recap. Briefly summarize the key points discussed in the video, including the pros and cons of Kraken as a wallet. Final thoughts. Offer your final opinion on whether Kraken is a safe and reliable wallet, emphasizing the importance of conducting your own research and understanding the risks involved in cryptocurrency storage. Call to action. Encourage viewers to share their thoughts and experiences with Kraken in the comments section. Ending. Sharp ending. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and happy trading.